guys, welcome back to the channel. This should be a real quick video. I just need to change my air filter. So I thought I'll show anyone who may not be too familiar with it how to change it. There's the part number for the one I'm using as far as where the frame goes. Your air filter is right over here in this box right here. Bring it back a little bit for you guys. And so you really just have 1, 2, 3, if you can't see that one, and possibly 4 down here. All right, yep, so you can either use a Phillips or you can use 8mm. I'm gonna go with 8mm, make it quick and easy for me. All right, so now that you have all 4 screws out, now you want to get this bar out of your way so that you can get the cover off. So you just want to take a 10mm and remove that. All right, you can see I can just swing that out of the way now. Get my screw out of the way. And now you can just lift this up out of your way, get access to your filter, and just pull it on out. There's the old one. Not bad, but definitely could be changed. And we'll get our new one. Compare the two, same size, but much cleaner. All right, got that in. Now we'll just set it back down in there. Don't mind my pink fingernails. I was helping my daughter dye her hair, her ends. Don't forget to put the bar back on. And that's it, guys. That's how you change the air filter on your 2015 to 2020 Chevy Tahoe, be it the LT, the LTZ, or the other model. Thanks for joining, guys. Hit that like button if you like, and definitely hit that subscribe button. I have a lot of other YouTubers working on my Chevy Tahoe. Thanks, guys.